guys, this is me back again with another video. In this video I'm going to quickly cover about how you can basically play around with the language targeting and how you can basically change the settings and all that. So let me actually hop into one of my campaign and give you the example. So it's actually this one. I'm recording this 13th video. And I'm hoping that I will be able to record all of them. I'm getting really busy these months, since the US market is getting open and we are basically facing a lot of workload. A lot of workload is getting increased on the Google Ads PPC side. So yeah, let me actually dive into it about the settings. So once you also basically see this the language setting when you're basically building the campaign. Let me actually just disable this one. Okay, I'm gonna share with you. So once you have the campaign built, or while you are basically creating it, you basically always see the option to basically play around with the language setting. You can basically select Spanish, and then what Google Ads will basically start showing the ads to the people who basically have the Spanish setting on their Chrome browser or whatever the browser they're using. So a person doesn't have to be a speaking person to see the the Spanish ad. I think the language setting works according to the the browser setting that they currently have. Anyways, so this is the existing campaign. I'm going to show you how I can basically go to the language setting area. So once you are in the campaign, go to the settings. I think I'm in the group side, so I would need to go back to the campaign. Let me actually just see it load. Yeah, currently I'm in the group setting, so that's why I do not have the language setting over here. You need to click on the campaign to basically see the the language setting and everything. So anyways, now that I have clicked over here, let me actually see. Let me actually click on all campaign and click over here. Let me see. Okay, so this is the campaign that I want to change the settings to. So I will go to the settings. So now I have this settings over here to change the language. And this is actually the browser language of the user that they are basically using. So yeah, so for instance, I wanna only target the people who basically speak Spanish. So this is what I would have to do, and then I would basically need to remove English. Yeah, so this way currently I'm only going this ad is currently only going to target if the user has the Spanish on their browser settings. So yeah, and you can basically target multiple languages as well. So let me see. So if I want to target English as well, I can just do that. I can type whatever the language I want to do. So yeah, and this actually important setting if you're basically going to target only specific language people. And definitely if you're if you're targeting Spanish people, I would advise even having a ad copy in a Spanish in a Spanish translation. That would be actually plus. So yeah, that's how you basically play around with the language setting, and hopefully it helps some of you. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.